Well, hey team, welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. Before we get started with the video, make sure we like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Great things are happening. We're going to review the 200 cash daily flyer pretty quickly on this video. Profit $1,000 a day for life. I'll show you how to make $200 a day with this flyer. Is absolutely incredible. Where is Timothy Thomas? I'm incognito today. But there he is. There's the man, the myth, the legend, Timothy Thomas. And I'm currently, guys, working with my, I'm ordering another camera for, another camera for the laptop here. I've got two laptops, and I want to order a another high definition camera to record me clearly. But for the next few videos, I may be incognito while I'm waiting for the new camera to get here. The old one was kind of giving a little trouble. But anyway, folks, great things are happening. Again, make sure you like this video. We're going to talk about this flyer in this video, but there are three or four flyers that we need to talk about over the next couple of weeks. Working on is exploding in a good way, and we want you to be a part of it. Before I deep dive into that, make sure you look at the YouTube channel, guys. We've got some great opportunities going on here. Life-changing. If you're not working from the comfort of home, folks, you're missing the opportunity to change your life for the better. This private trade room, folks, we can get you funded over here. We can get you funded. Account can be handled and traded for you. And the results are absolutely staggering with the private trade room. I cannot stress, guys, that's what way I'm taking, money out of the big ticket programs, putting it in here, and it's just turning money. Of course, as an income disclaimer in life, nothing happens until you take action. I want to talk about this flyer here, the 200 cash daily. There is another flyer also that's very similar to this flyer called the 200 United Cash Express flyer. It is very similar to this flyer here, works about the same way. The other flyer that we're going to talk in some other videos is called a $1,000 a week solution flyer. It is an income generating miracle. I love this flyer. Pays out $100 to folks down through 3 levels. Very powerful flyer. And also the $100 monster residual cash plan. This flyer is another incredible flyer. We're going to talk about it in another video. But great things are happening. Let me go quickly to this right here. We're going to talk about the 200 cash daily. Again, there are 3 or 4 flyers we'll be talking about over the next few weeks in these videos. So don't get lost in the shuffle. There are several flyers, folks, and every one of them are working. Some of you are joining 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some of you are joining 2. Some of you are joining 3. If you're joining more than 2 flyers, you can get a hold of me. We might can do something special for you. But great things are happening. This 200 cash daily flyer, we're going to show you how to get paid $200 a day. By mailing this flyer, if you can mail like 200 a week over a period of like 90 days, if you can get 200 a week out there, you can eventually start seeing yourself making $200 cash payments multiple times a week, if not daily. Smash out the like button, folks. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Profit thousands every week. 100% of the cash comes directly to your mailbox. We get paid $200 together. So basically, the way it works, on the first level, you get $200. You recruit somebody else, you're going to go to level number 2. You're going to be always on the flyer of the people that you recruit in level number 1. You'll be on number 2 and number 3, down through 3 levels through infinity. It's incredible. Attention money making friend, where you're holding the most profitable opportunity I've ever seen. All the financial dreams can come true with this flyer, and that is absolutely powerful. Your dreams can come true. And you can get wealthy with this incredible system. The 200 Cash Daily can bring you great wealth. Mail order industry will pay out millions of dollars this year to people like me and you. And when we look at this thing, it becomes very powerful. The mail order industry will pay out millions of dollars this year. You could pocket $6,000 monthly. Simply paid direct to you. Top earners will get 5 to 10 people every day. Will you be one of them? We have a proven model that helps people like you succeed. Just working home entrepreneurs. We'll do the work when you get started. All you do is mail this flyer, and then you can start earning money 24/7. Thousands of dollars. Discover how the smartest home-based business in the nation. This is one of the smartest programs, this 200 Cash Daily flyer, just by mailing it. Always have faith in yourself, believe, and you'll always have control of your thoughts and your emotions. Very powerful, folks. Together we can do it. The residual power of this program is exponential, and it works. This is how it works. When you sign up, your name is permanently listed in box number 1. The residual income comes to all the downliners as you mail out the flyer. Your name will be listed in box number 2 and 3. And this runs through infinity on the downline flyers of your members. Folks, you can literally be on hundreds of thousands of flyers in a short amount of time. You can put this flyer in an envelope. If you can do that, you can make money. The way to join, folks, you can make all 4 payments, cash or either money order payable, to the names and boxes listed below. And you can be off to the races. Now, those of y'all that are joining from this video, as we know, don't send any money to the Reverend Wilson spot. Just contact me. I'll give you instructions on that until I can get this flyer. I'll get it updated and use the other flyer. So the great things are happening. And then you send a $200 to each position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it out to these folks and go from there. Well, $100 goes to the monitor here at P.O. Box 498, $100. Or you can mail all of it to TNCL Marketing, and we'll get you taken care of. You can pay through Cash App, Zelle. We'll get you off to the races. Folks, this is an incredible flyer. I could not be more excited to have this flyer out here working with us and have this flyer circulating to thousands and thousands of people. You're in business for yourself, but you're never by yourself. This is the way that it's supposed to be. Can you imagine you go recruit 10, 12, 13, 14 people, and you begin to be on thousands of people flyers? Folks, this is incredible. And great things are happening. As you know, Reverend Wilson has transitioned from this life, and he was a great marketer. Could not be more excited. But yeah, contact me for instructions on where to send the payment for number 2, and we'll help you win. Folks, that is my time for today. I could not be more excited about what we have our hands on. The 200 Cash Daily Profit, $1,000 a day for life, is an incredible flyer. Stay tuned for more videos coming up on the $1,000 week solution flyer and on the Monster Residual. Now, one sidebar note, are you currently involved with, let's see, Epic Slim? Epic Slim is a great program that I partner with Greg and Jose. We're going to be promoting Epic Slim. It's just launched. I've got my affiliate link. So they have collagen and the coffee. The products are going to be absolutely epic here over at Epic Slim. We're going to go over that in some videos here in the near future. That is my time for today. Folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you at the top on the next video. Get started today. Folks, financial freedom has never been this easy utilizing these programs. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.